my name is Madison.
And I'm Mariah.
And you're watching another Louisville Seedbank tutorials video.
Brought to you by Beargrass Thunder.
Alright, today we're going to learn how to plant a seed. Today we're going to be planting some Kentucky Wonderbeans. These are pole beans. The neat little thing about green beans is that they are pretty big. So the bigger the seed, the easier it is to germinate. It's a really nifty thing about them. You don't really have to worry about whether or not they're going to germinate. Smaller the seed, a little bit more difficult. Now, I've got this nifty little seed starting mix. We use seed starting mixes so that the seed itself has a better chance at germinating. It's less dense, so the roots, whenever they're small and fragile, they can more easily work through the soil and get established.
Now, do you need to have the special stuff with the Miracle Grow in it?
If you don't have stuff like this, you don't have access to seed starting mix, all you really need to do is just make sure that whatever dirt that you are using isn't full of sticks or anything that could block the roots from taking hold. So I've got this little seed starting pot. We're gonna fill it with some soil. Now, since this is such a large seed, I'm gonna put it a little deeper in the soil. The smaller the seed, the less deep you want it. You still want it to get that light. You want it to have access to the water, so you'll put it more closer to the surface. But since it's large, I'm gonna put it a little deeper.
So even as she says that that's deeper, you can tell that that's also not very deep for the seed.
Yeah, it's maybe half an inch.
You'll notice that a lot of your wildflower seeds that you'll go and plant, if you're more interested in flowers, are going to be itty bitty, teeny tiny. So just like Madison said, you're going to want to make sure that they're very either basically sprinkled on top of the soil or just barely under the soil.
So I've got it in the soil. I'm going to cover it. And that's it. We're good to go. You're going to water it.
Let's water it.
Yeah, let's water it. All right. He is good to go. I'm going to end up taking him inside, putting him under some grow lights, but you can always leave them outside. It's not going to hurt them, especially now that we've got these longer days. He will get adequate sunlight. So while I'm taking it inside, you can always leave it out. Just make sure you cover it so the squirrels don't take it.
Now, you saw Madison water her bean after she planted it, and that was totally good. You always want to make sure that you water your plants right after you put them in the ground, because otherwise they'll just be thirsty. Now, if we're talking about those teeny tiny wildflower seeds, you might want to consider pre-moistening your soil before you put them into the earth, or in your pot, that is, because they're so itty bitty. When you put them into the dry soil and water them, they'll all rush to the outer edge. So to make sure that they're in the middle, try to just pre-moisten that soil. All right, thanks for joining us for another Louisville Seedbank educational video. Make sure to check out all of our other videos, and there's more to come, so that we can help you grow a beautiful garden. And if you are interested in helping us turn our yards into gardens, make sure to like us on Facebook at the Louisville Seedbank page and join our community at the Louisville Seedbank Friends.
And if you are interested in volunteering with the Louisville Seedbank, you can join the Louisville Seedbank Volunteers page on Facebook.
Always feel free to message the Louisville Seedbank Friends to get added to our listserv, and keep a lookout for lists of items that we need donated.
And thanks for watching. See you next time.